So we got this situation to handle. So we have to integrate 2 by pi from integration from minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. So look at this. Again you are observing limit from minus a to a. So if you have this kind of situation, you know that you have to respond as 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x and then dx. So we will apply the same logic over here and let's see what happens next. So we will have I equals 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi by 4, and then we have on numerator, so we have 1 only na, 1 plus e power sin x and then 2 minus cos 2x plus, now we have to replace x with minus x. So you know that sine of minus x will become minus of sin x. So let's see what happens. So we have 1 plus e power minus sin x, and cos will digest that minus, because you know that cos of minus theta is cos theta, so it will be the same. So cos 2x and then we have dx. Okay, so if you will simplify this thing, you will have 1 plus e power sin x and then e power sin x will be on the numerator. So let's simplify thing. So this thing will become plus and you will have sin x on the numerator. If you will simplify, you will get things done. Now you know that base is same, so need not to take LCM. Directly you can write down that part. So it is 0 to pi by 4, then not e power sin x. This thing will become e power sin x. Okay, so 1 plus e power sin x, and then we have 1 plus e power sin x, then 2 minus cos 2x and then dx. This thing gone. Now we are left with trigonometric thing. So 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi by 4 and then dx by 2 minus cos 2x. Now you know that while dealing with integration and in general whenever you are handling trigonometric function, you should convert your question into tan. So we will apply this cos 2 theta formula, means we'll convert cos into tan. So it will become 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. So we will apply this idea over here. Now so it will become 2 by pi, and you also know that if you will take anything as z, your limit will change. So right now we are not taking anything, but we are simplifying things, we are converting, so no need to manipulate the power. So we have dx by 2 minus 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay, now just be super slow and look at this, what happens. Please like simplify things carefully. Okay, so if you'll take LCM, you will be left with, on the denominator you will be left with 2 plus 2 tan square x minus 1 plus tan square x, and on the numerator you will be having 1 plus tan square x, that will be converted into sec square x. Okay, so it is 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi by 4, and then sec square x, we have 3 tan square x plus 1 dx. Now what we will do, we will take z as 10x. So dz by dx will become what? Sec square x, है ना, and we have sec square x dx, so that will be replaced by dz. We will also take this 3 common, so we will be left with 2 by 3 pi integration dz by z square plus 1 by root 3 का square. Now you know that if you will take anything as z, limit will change. So suppose that you are dealing with lower limit, so if x is 0, tan 0 will become 0, so z will become 0. Then you have to apply upper limit. If you apply upper limit, tan pi by 4 is 1. Now you know that on the denominator you are handling dx by x square plus a square. So you are handling without root. So if you are without root, either you will be having 1 by a or you will be having 1 by 2a. If you are comfortable, then 1 by a. So in this case we are comfortable with this case. So it is 1 by a, and this is tan inverse x by a plus integration constant c. So we will apply the same logic over here. So we have 2 by 3 pi 1 by a. So 1 by root 3 will become root 3. Okay, and then we will be having tan inverse x by a root 3 z. Now you have to apply the limit. So if you will apply upper limit, you will be left with, let's write down this thing. So 2 root 3 upon, sorry, this is 3 pi. Now if you apply upper limit, you will be left with tan inverse root 3. So tan inverse root 3 is what? It is pi by 3. And then if you apply lower limit 0, so tan inverse 0 is 0, so minus 0. So we are done. Now from pi gone 3 root 3. So we can write down things as 2 by 3 root 3. Okay, so we got this thing as the result. Okay, so the integration of this part is 2 by 3 root 3. Okay.